Guys, I'm here back for part 2 of this RMS Empress of Japan tutorial. So for part 2, we'll focus on the main hull and the ship's rudder. So I will shut the fuck up now and we can start building. And I've also put signs, like we did with the red hull section. I put signs from 0 to 13 on all 4 sides of the ship. So section 0, you want to go up 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rows of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then go forward 2. And then 1. And then on the top, go 1, 2, 3. Like that. It's a point. So, section 1. You want up 2 rows of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 6 rows of 2 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. And then 2 forward, like so. Section 2. Section 2, you want up again 2 rows of 4. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 6. And then 6 rows of 2 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. But this time you're only going to go forward a block. So not very well sculpted, but I can't really do that because the ship's bow is not straight. It's curved. So I can't really get a good design for that. So section 3 is up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 3. 1, 2, 3. And 7 rows of 2. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 1. Like that. And section 4 is the same. It's the same again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, like so. And it should not be very well done, but whatever. Now we go into section 5, which is up 3 rows of 3. So 1, 2, 3. Then 5 rows of 2. 1, 2, 4, 5. And then 2 forward. And then 1, 2, 3 like that. Section 6. Section 6, you want to go up 4. 1, 2, 4. Should say 4, then up 3. Wait. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Then up 5 rows of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 2 forward. And then 2 rows of 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Like that. And then section 7 is 7 and 8 is the same. So up 2 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And up 4 rows of 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 2 forward, 1, 2, and then 2 rows of 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. That's not right, is it? Can't be. 3, 3, 3. Oh, it's 3 rows of 3. I put 2 rows. I said I put 2 rows of 3. So the 1, 2, 3. Then the 4 twos. 1, 2, 3. And 2 forward and 2 rows of 3. 1, 2, 3, and 3. There, that's better. Section 8 is the same again. So 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 forward. 3 and 1, 2, 3. Just like that. And then section 9 is up 2, and then 3 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And then up 3 rows of 2, 1, 2, 3. And then 2 forward, 1, 2, 2 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, like that. And it should look something like that. So you got a very slight curve going on, but whatever. Now we move on to section 10. Section 10, we go up 2, 1, 2, then 2 rows of 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3. And then 6 rows of 2. So 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then 2 forward. 1, 2, and then 3 on top. 1, 2, 3, like that. Then we go to section 11, which is up 4 rows of 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And then 2 rows of 2. So 1, 2. And then 2 forward, 1, 2, and then 2 rows of 3. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, like that. Now we go on to section 12. So for section 12, we want to go up 4 rows of 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. How many is that? That's 4. And then up 3 rows of 2. So 1, 2, 3. 2 forward. And then 1, 2, 3. Like that. And finally, on to everybody's favorite, number 13. So for number 13, you want up 3 rows of 3. So 1, 2, 3. 4 rows of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 forward, 1, 2. And then 2 rows of 3. So 1 and 2. Just like that. And we'll also incorporate this section in just a moment. So no, I'll do that right now. So it's on section 1, 2, 3, and I'll do that. I'll write down some notes, or we'll just ignore it and just, yeah, I'll just ignore it for now. So that's all 13 sections of the bow done on one side, of course. So now you just want to go in and fill in all the gaps. I'll do the first few sections, and Do a jump cut as usual. One more. I'm using quartz, but you can use any color you wish, or any white color. So, smooth quartz, white concrete, white wool. So, and I originally built this ship with wool, so, and it didn't look anything like the ship over there. It was just shitty. So, and again, it was 2012 when I first built it, but whatever. So that's the first few sections done. So I will now do a jump cut while I do the other side. So, back on. Okay, back again. So that's the bow done. I filled in all the gaps and also I've done the other side. And it should look like that. It should look really, really shitty. So now we move on to the stern. I've already tried doing this and I fucked it up, so hopefully this time will go a lot better. So for section 0, you want to go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, up 2. And 1. Like that. And then on top, you want to go 4. 2 rows of 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And whenever I say forward, I mean back, okay? Because we're at the back. And we're building the stern. So, whenever I say forward, go back. So, it's 2 rows of 4. And then 3. 1, 2, 3. And then 2 rows of 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. And that is the stern. It's not quite the full length. Because it does do that. The stern deck does lengthen the ship. So section 1 is again up 5, up 3, up 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 2. But this time you want to go forward 2. And then 2 rows of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 3. 1, 2, 3. And then 2 twos. 1, 2, 1, 2. Like that. So it's basically the same as section 1. Section 0, sorry. Section 2, once again, up 5, 3, and 2. Then forward 2. And 2 rows of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. 1, 2, 3. And then 2 rows of 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Just like that. Section 3. Same again. Up 5, 3, 4, 5. Up 3. 1, 2, 3. And up 2. Then forward 2. 2 rows of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 2 rows of 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. And 2. Just like that. Section 4. Up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 3. Up 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. I'm fucking tired. When this part's done, I'm taking my ass to bed. Up 5, up 3, then 2 forward. 1, 2. So it's basically just the same as section 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 2. Just like that. Section 5. Up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 forward. 1, 2, 3. 2 rows of 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 rows of 3, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 2, like that. Now we move on to section 6. So for section 6, go up 4, 3, 4, and then 2 rows of 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 forward, 1, 2, 2 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and then 2, like that. Now we move on to section 7. Section 7 is up 4 and up 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and then forward 3, 1, 2, 3, 2 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and then 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, like that. And then section 8 is up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 rows of 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 forward, 1, 2, 2 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Wait, what section are we on? 8, yeah. 8 is... And then you want to go, and then 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 4, 3. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, and then 1, 2, 3. Like that. Now we move on to section 9, which is up 4, up 2 rows of 2 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then 2, and then forward 2, 1, 2. 2 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And then 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 3, 1, 2, 3. Like that. Now we go to section 10. Section 10 is up 4, 2 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 rows of 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 2 rows, and then 2 forward, 1, 2, 2 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 3, 1, 2, 3, like that. Make sure it's right. 10. 3, 4, 8, 8. 3 block gap. That's a T block. Then we go to section 11. Section 11. Up 4, up 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. Then 2 forward, 2 as a 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1. And then 1, 2, 3. Get rid of the block. And then 2 as a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11. Is not right. Six, 6. I have to go over to the prototype for this. Six. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10. And then 8, 6, 3. So 6, 11. 11, 6, 8, 6, 11, 8, 6, 3. No, this is section up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Something's not right here. There we go. 6. Block out of place. And then 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Block out of place again. And then 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. God fucking damn it. And then it should be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. Of course. Of fucking course. What the fuck did I do wrong? Up 4, 2, 2, 2 forward, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, It's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. It's 11. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 8. And then 4. And that should be a block gap. I hate this shit. Oh. There's a problem. There we go. Problem solved. And then section 12. Up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 2 forward. 2 rows of 3. And then 3 rows of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then 3. 1, 2, 3. Like that. And then finally, everybody's favorite, section 13 is up 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 2 forward, 1, and 1, 2, 3. And then 2 rows of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. That is the stern. So, not a lot of gaps, but still some gaps, and it should, at the moment, look like that. Very subtle curve to it, so I will now do a jump cut while I do the other side, and I will also put in the side, and I'll also add the deck, which goes on the top block like so. And then we can move on to the rudder. So, back in a moment. Okay, back again. So, I've done the both sides and the main deck. So, the ship should look pretty bare. So, we're now going to finish up with the ship's rudder. So, get rid of that block and just do this. Get rid of that block. That's like that. And for the rudder itself, you want to go back 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 2, and 2, and then up 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 2, and then connect it and fill in the gaps, or the gap, and then put 4 in pink, 3, 2, 1 in white, like that. And there you go, there's the rudder. And that is all I'm doing for today. So, for part 3, we'll do the ship's the deck houses. So, the forecastle deck, that deck, and the stern deck. And then part 4 will be anything, whatever I can think of. So, this is part 2 done. And this is Nightwing, signing off.